It is the morning of December the 1st, 2020, and this is a very interesting phenomenon this morning. I'm facing almost south, looking down towards Morgan Hill, and if you notice the little white horizontal streak that we have, that's fog that is working through the Bay Area. Now I'm slowly panning, heading towards the north, and in front you'll see there's a little smokestack actually right up in here, and you can see how it's poking through the fog. The more north that I go, the thicker the fog gets. And that's because the fog is actually coming through the Golden Gate, and it's funneling itself right down through our bay. And in the background you can see Mount Diablo. There's a jet landing heading towards San Francisco, and it is completely socked in here. Now when I got up this morning early at like 5 o'clock, I could barely see any fog working its way in, but this morning this is a perfect example of what the fog can look like in the morning just before the sun comes up.